How to fix origin error while playing games on Windows. 1. Fix origin error code 20.99. 1.1 Allow the launcher through the firewall. 1.2 Remove, using recommended uninstall Tool Pro in this video guide, then reinstall the app to fix origin error code 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004. Remove current credit card from your account, reattach it, and then try logging in. 3. Fix origin error code 6.0. 3.1 Run Task Manager, then terminate the origin process. 3.2 Delete all the folders except local content at %program data and /origin. 3.3 Delete the origin. Folder at and app data %. 3.4 Delete origin folder at /users / your own username here / app data / local. 3.5 Restart your computer. Remove then reinstall the app. 4. Fix origin error code 10.0. 4.1 Delete the origin folder at /program files, x86. 4.2 Remove then reinstall the app. 5. Fix origin error code 196613:0. 5.1 Unpad your Windows. 5.2 Update origin. 5.3 Turn on enable safe mode downloading in origin settings. To do so, follow this path: origin application settings diagnostics.